Hey buddy, what are you trying? Cart and twist. Cart and twist? Oh, you mean a cartful? A cartful? What's that? This is a cartful. Yes, that's what I want to do. I've tried for 2 hours, but I just can't do it. Okay, don't worry. I will teach you. Really? Yeah, let's go. Show me your cartwheel. Okay. Ah, I see. What do you see? Your cartwheel. My cartwheel? What's wrong with it? There's a lot of work to be done before we can go for the cartful. Okay, yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I see. Anyway, you should do the following 2 steps to make your cart good enough for a cartful. Step number 1, your cart needs to be faster. Therefore, you need to kick your right leg faster into the cartwheel and pull your legs with more speed and power throughout your cartwheel. Step number 2, you should push yourself off the ground with your arms at the cartwheel. Look, that's how you did a cartwheel. And this is how it should look. Alright, let me try. Better. Now kick your right leg even harder because you need to be faster. Much faster. Like this. Yeah, almost. Now push yourself off the ground with more power. Yeah, like this. This was pretty good. Now we can move on to the full. Let's go! Alright, 2 quick side notes, guys. 1, from now on I will use some mattresses and mats to make the learning process of the cartful easier and safer. Number 2, as you see, I do everything to my left side. So if you do your cartwheel to your right side, just mirror everything that I do. Now after the cartwheel, move your arms up and do a big jump. Make sure to jump as high as you can. Wait, I will show you. If it's easier for you, you can also do the jump on a mattress like this one. You should already be in a kind of upright position when you come out of your cartwheel. Your arms should do this movement. When you finish your cartwheel, they come all the way up here and then you jump. Yeah, great. Now I want you to jump into a forward roll after your cartwheel. You can start small and add more height later on. Yeah, now you can add more height. Good. For the next step, we leave our hands away. They do not touch the mattress anymore. We kind of do a front flip and try to land on our back. Okay, I saw some mistakes there that we should fix. Number one, there should be no break between the cartwheel and the jump. It should be a fluent transition. The next two things that I saw were your upper body position and your arm movement. This is what you did. And this is how it should look like. Now I'm asking you, what's the difference? Wait, you said I need to move my arms like this, bring my upper body up after the cartwheel and jump up. Yeah, exactly. And what did you do wrong? Well, I didn't jump up. All I thought about was getting the flip done as fast as I could. Therefore, I didn't have any height. Yup. Now show me how it's done correctly. Alright, let's move on to the next step. To turn this into a full, you need to do the following 3 steps. Step number 1, once you start the flip rotation, you should pull your right arm to your left hip to start the twist. Step number 2, additionally, pull your left arm back to open up the left side of your body. This allows your right side to come forward and actually do the half twist. I always think about catching my left arm with my right arm when I do a cartwheel. Yeah, and that's a simple trick that I use to make the cartwheel easier for myself. Step number 3, you can spot the ground basically all the time throughout your full. This helps with orientation and air awareness and leads to you not getting lost in the air. Alright, give it a try. Nice. Those attempts were solid. Now you have to put more energy and power into your cartwheel, make your transition more fluent, and use your arms more in order to land a cartwheel. Oh my god, let's go! Thank you so much. Of course, bro. Alright, this was my cartwheel tutorial and I hope that you can learn a cartwheel with this kind of role play. I don't know, I think it's a great way to show what should be improved in a flip, and I think that I will keep doing those kind of role play tutorials. Anyway, if you have any questions, please ask them down below in the comments and I will do my best to help you. Thanks a lot for staying until the end of this video and I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.